Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Pramit, and today I'm going to count down the top 10 classic sneakers. Every year, we get tons of brand new silhouettes trying to create a legacy of the most classic sneakers, thus creating a culture with the sneakerheads and the younger generation. So, I decided to get you the top 10 most classic sneakers of all times. First up on our list is Puma Suede. Puma Suede has been in our lives since 1968 as a performance sneaker and later became street favorite in the lifestyle market with a durable rubber outsole and suede upper making it more street ready than any other shoe. It is one of the most underrated shoe of all times. By the dawn of 1980, Puma has become an important part of a new culture movement like the breakdancing and b-boying. Fast forwarded to 2019, underground rap groups like Divine, Nazy also featured them in their song Suede Gully. You can grab this pair for under 6,000 bucks. Next up on our list is Adidas Superstar. The original Superstar sneaker do more than make you look excellent. They also cradle your feet in a softer interior for maximum comfort. Eased with full grain leather outer, you get durable rubber insole, adding another layer of support. And the cherry on the top is the gold Adidas logo. Hey, let's not forget the iconic Superstar shell toe for added durability and also because it looks cool. If you have been a sneaker enthusiast around 90s and the 2000s, you will actually remember athletes and musicians featuring the Adidas Superstar like the Run DMC. You can grab this pair for under 4,000 bucks. Number third on our list is New Balance 997s. Yet again one of the most underrated shoe and in fact as a brand as well is the New Balance 997s. With the premium suede leather and end cap cushioning technology for under 9,000 bucks, in fact I gotta say out loud, the whole 990 to 999 range is absolutely dope. If you have not got a chance to grab a pair of them, I highly recommend you to try them on. They are the pioneer, the core of the daddy shoe trend. For the past 38 years, the 990s have been the face of New Balance. The best thing is they have never tried to pander the legacy of the 990s with the hype. You can grab this pair for under 9,000 bucks. Next up on our list is Air Max 97. This is the first shoe to have the full-length foamless air unit from the forefoot all the way to the back. It has cool reflective piping which looks dope and is hidden lace-up system. This shoe is my favorite in the all Air Max pack. You see this shoe, you will recollect a bullet train. Inspired by the sleek look of high-speed Japanese bullet train, they have a breathable mesh upper with a wavy leather overlay for premium look. You can rock any kind of apparel with this shoe. It is made for the streets. Ever wondered what it feels like flying? Try these and experience it yourself. Link for these are given in the description below. Next up on our list is Adidas Samba. The full leather upper and synthetic overlays. The toe cap is suede leather. Samba branding is gold and the tongue with the Adidas logo. You can wear these with shorts, jeans and chinos. It really doesn't matter what you're wearing with this shoe. It can go with pretty much anything. Although I don't recommend it to wear it for a longer time as it might hurt your feet. You can grab this pair for under 3,400 bucks. Next up is Converse All-Star Chuck Taylor. One of the most, if not the most recognizable sneaker of the planet since 1917. This shoe has history, it has heritage, and a silhouette so distinguished that even non-sneakerheads will also know this is Converse All-Star. Started as a performance sneaker in basketball, they are one of the most recognizable and comfortable shoe of all times. They are such prolific sneakers that you can find them in pretty much any style and color. They also have the low top version which was released in the 60s. If you want to have these, please check out the link in the description below. You can grab them for around 2,500 bucks. Next up is Nike Air Force One. Air Force One is undoubtedly the best shoe of all times. If you own a pair of these, you would agree that it is the literal definition of fresh and your paranoia of getting them dirty. Created for basketball with the ankle strap, but the shoe gained popularity in the street gangs and hip hop culture like Jay-Z, Fat Joe, Young Jay-Z and Cameron as a status symbol. Even Nelly dropped his title Air Force One. These sneakers are now the favorite between the sneaker makeovers to express themselves all over the globe thanks to the simple and elegant design. You cannot go wrong with all white pair of Air Force One. You can grab this on discount for under 6,000 bucks. Next up is Vans. For over 5 decades, Van has been styling skaters, artists, punks, high school kids, and even soccer moms. It connects to the people from all walks of life. Founded in 1966, created for the sole purpose of skateboarders or surfers. This is an essential sneaker silhouette. Actually, this is one shoe everyone should have one pair of. The Vans Authentic comes in every possible colorway and shade that is known. The minimalistic design with canvas upper, contrasting stitches and vulcanized rubber midsole and a waffle rubber outsole. You can grab a pair on discount for under 4,000 bucks. Next up on our list is Air Jordan 1. The Jordan 1s are the Michael Jordan's first signature shoe. And as of now, Jordan 1s are the most coveted and popular sneakers in the market. This sneaker has history attached to it since its release in 1985. You can find them in mid-top and low-top as well, if for some reason you don't like the high-top version. Of course, you can't get your hands on the OG colorway in red and black, but the silhouette itself is so attractive that any color looks just great. This shoe also featured in my favorite Marvel animated series, Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. These shoes tend to sell out faster than you expect. Links for these are given in the description below. Next up, Nike Cortez. One of the most iconic and the infamous Nike Cortez. This shoe has come a long way from performance shoes to street culture to fashion world. It has seen the rivalry between Nike and Adidas. It has seen the breakup of BRS and Onitsuka Tigers, aka Asics. It has been featured in movies, music videos, pop concerts and gangs. It has been 48 years since its release, and this shoe is still one of the personal favorite of many sneakerheads, including mine. I've already done a video on the history of Nike Cortez. Do check it out if you have not already. You can grab this on discount under 6,000 bucks. And the last and my ultimate favorite is Adidas Original Stan Smith. Originally created for tennis shoe by Adidas and American tennis player Stan Smith himself, has become one of the most popular tennis sneakers of all times. This sneaker with a minimalistic leather upper and perforated dots like the Adidas 3 stripes and a green colorway on the heel tab can fit with any clothes you want to try them on. There are other colorways as well, but the white and the green is the OG. You can grab this premium shoe for not much of a premium price given in the description below. The price range starts from 3,500 under discount. Make sure to grab them till it lasts. If you like this video on top 10 sneakers, hit subscribe and leave a comment and share with your friends.